We got time, but no money. But there ain't nobody stopping us. We got bills, but no dollars. But now we don't really give up. No, we don't really give up. Living for that ray of light. Life can be beautiful. Life can be beautiful. Going all the way tonight, making it beautiful. Acting like there's no tomorrow.
Hey y'all, and welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Shan, and today I'm going to be cleaning and decluttering some in my master bedroom. As always, this room is a hot mess, so we got to clean it up first before I start pulling things out to declutter them. Otherwise, my mind will just be a cluttered mess, because a cluttered home makes for a cluttered mind. At least in my mind, it does. So if you need some cleaning motivation, or you are doing some decluttering before the new year, I hope I can bring you tons of inspiration and motivation today. Turn my video on. Let's clean and tackle our messes together today. Okay, that was not what I expected.
We're running out of love, 'cause we're young and we're stupid. And now we don't really give up. No, we don't really give up. Going all the way tonight. Life can be beautiful. Life can be beautiful. Dancing in the flashing light, making it beautiful. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like this. Acting like this.
If you're new to my channel today, I just wanted to take a moment to welcome you, say hi. My name is Shan. I'm a wife and a mom of 2. I make motivational cleaning, laundry, organizing, decluttering, home decor, all of that and so much more. So if you need any type of motivation, I hope I can bring that to you today. And if you are liking my vibe and liking what you see, I hope you'll subscribe. I'd love to have you join my YouTube family. You can leave me a comment if you're comfortable. Let me know who you are, where you're watching from. I really enjoy getting to know you guys. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Thank you to all my loyals who always come back and show your girl love and support. I promise you, it means a lot to me. It never goes unnoticed.
I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasted before. I'ma go too fast, 'cause suddenly I feel so rich. No, I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta see some
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and give the room a quick vacuum, and then it'll be time to pull some things out and start decluttering. Now, you guys, I've been putting this off for months because sometimes decluttering a space can really be overwhelming, but I was so happy that I tackled it. It has been so clean and organized ever since I recorded this video, so it makes such a huge difference in my overall mood because clutter just makes me so anxious and so stressed. So I am so happy to be finally getting my house in order, and I hope these videos can help motivate you if you're feeling a little overwhelmed about tackling something. Like, turn my videos on, let's tackle it together. You are not alone.
Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking?
I'm just using my luxurious ambiance room and linen mist, and the between the sheets scent smells amazing. So, moment of truth. Real life, my closet is a hot mess.
I've been thinking about you.
There is just junk, y'all. Just so much junk. There's even like towels and yeah, these little drawers. I literally got so much hair. I can't even make this up. Clothes that I don't even know what's in there. So yeah, it's time to clean this out. So I wanted to start by pulling out all of these clothes that were just sitting on the shelf, and they pretty much just needed to be hung up. Most of them were my husband's clothes, so of course he's helping me do that part so I can focus on some of the other things, because my actual clothes, I don't even hang up clothes that often, y'all. I wear leggings and tees like every day of the week, okay? So I don't hang those up. Plus it's time to like switch our closets over for winter, but I'm not doing that all in the same day. That would really get me overwhelmed. So I'm just going through these clothes really quickly. My husband's gonna hang them up because, like I said, most of them are his anyway. And then I'm gonna start going through those bins in my closet. Those were bothering me the most.
My home is you. Here we are, where we thought we'd never be. Is there ever a way to be free? Can we turn back time so long, my dear? How are we supposed to save the situation? Would you hug me in the dark? Let the worries go away. Would you do it all again? Do it all again? Would you leave your finger marks on my body while it sways? Would you let my way find my way home again? My home is you.
So I do have a lot of random hair supplies. I'm like a real life closet wannabe cosmetologist over here, y'all. No, for real, I do enjoy doing hair. So I have a lot of hair supplies, and I think it was harder for me to let go of some of those things and just realize that I wasn't using the stuff as much. I really don't have time to, you know, be into those hobbies like I used to. So I had to get rid of a lot of my stuff, and it really hurt my feelings, but it felt freeing to do it.
Can't find a time where I can tell ya what I feel now. Been by
So at this point, I was getting a little flustered and feeling like I wasn't making good progress, but I really was. I decided to go ahead and take the things that I'm keeping and put them just in front of the bed, kind of out of the way, so that I can really see what I need to be working on, because that was just a lot going on. My husband was hanging his clothes and Sydney was going through every little thing, and it was a lot. Meg, there's a dead spider in here. Please come get it. A dead spider. Y'all, I am so thankful for my husband, because y'all, our house be having spiders. I can't even make this up. It don't matter what I spray or put down. Since we moved into this house, I have never seen so many spiders, and they kind of big too. But luckily, when I find them, they are dead, because I'm always like putting down stuff to get rid of them and using peppermint essential oils or whatever I can find to get rid of them spiders, because y'all, oh my God, I'm terrified.
I'll become the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next.
We were keeping a lot of random things in these drawers, but truth be told, we couldn't even hardly get to the drawers because there's always stuff in front of it. So I'm just gonna pull everything out, see what I have, and I really did get rid of a lot of stuff out of my closet. I was really proud of how much I was able to let go of. So decluttering really does help, y'all. You can get rid of so much stuff that you didn't even know you had, because it's out of sight, out of mind, and sometimes we just truly forget that we even have it.
My head tells me to stop, but there is nothing I can do now. When I'm with you, I lose myself. I feel good. Oh, yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it.
Now, getting rid of all this hair was truly, it was a moment, okay? I had a whole talk with myself, a pep talk, like, girl, let it go. Let it go. You don't need it. I don't know why you're holding on to it. Just let it go. So yeah, I was able to let it go and get rid of it. My husband was like, you can buy more if you need it. Just let it go. It's just taking up space, and I wasn't going to use it again. So I don't know why I was keeping it anyway.
Don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me,
I ain't gonna lie, the girl ain't getting rid of her shorts.
let me tell you about me. Take it down in 1, 2, 3. I don't like my boys too sweet. I don't worry about you. I just worry about me. So you better run. You don't know what I need. Take it down in 1, 2, 3. Phone is buzzing up, beep. I don't care about you. I just care about me. So you better run. Take your pretty outfit and go. Show yourself right out of my zone. Now before I lose my control. Grass is always greener, you know. So I used to stand in it fall. Run back home to mama, let's go. Run boy run, run boy run, run boy run away. Run boy run, run boy run, run boy run away. Run boy run, run boy run, run boy run away. Run boy run, run boy run, run boy run away. Run away. Run away. Run away. Run boy
this is some stuff that I'm gonna be either donating or throwing away. Throw away pile, donate pile. Mine is the Bible, because who throws away a Bible? Don't do that. Okay, don't do that. So yeah, I am tired, but it's looking really, really good. I think what I'm gonna do with the closet is use this top shelf for some of my towels, because we don't have storage in the bathroom. And then these two drawers are empty, so I think I'm gonna put extra toilet paper here. I don't know what I'm gonna put on the bottom, but we shall see. You in here with your blanket on?
You filming?
Yes, boy. No.
You gonna keep that again?
Yes.
Let's stick to the basics. We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. We dance on the same wavelength. This feels like a new beginning. We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So won't you let me trip, trip, trip with you? Leaning out for you, leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me trip, trip, trip with you? Leaning out for you, leave us till tomorrow.
So here is the after of the closet. I know that my side over here is looking very, very empty, but I still have tons of stuff to go through to pull out all of my fall winter clothes. So that may be in another video, I don't know. But I love how everything turned out. I kept that empty. And then this is how these drawers are looking. I really decluttered on my hair today. These are just supplies, school supplies type of stuff. Our laminator and extra toilet paper. So yeah, there we have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video and got some cleaning and decluttering motivation. Don't forget to leave this video a like if you do, subscribe if you're new. Make sure your notification bell is on and set to all so you'll know every single time I upload. Leave me a comment. You know I love talking to you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.